To build a high-level picture of engineering workflows, we organize groups of related front-end events into sessions. A session consists of a unique identifier, the ordered list of event identifiers which correspond to the session, the developer behind those events, the union of artifacts that correspond to those events, and the timestamps of the first event and the last event in the session. Once events are organized into sessions, they can be used to derive some other metrics about behavior of developers, such as coding time, reviewing time, meeting time, investigation time, and others. In-session writes data in a format over which SQL queries can be executed, allowing for rapid analysis. To use in-session with confidence in further studies, validation was performed to understand the extent to which metrics and behavioral self-reports of time use agree. To obtain behavioral reports, 25 Google engineers were recruited to create diaries about what they did for a day. Then those diaries were compared against sessions, both quantitatively and qualitatively, using the prevalence and bias adjustments kappa agreement score, which ranges from -1 to 1. To understand the mismatches between logs and sessions, we hand analyzed data from the 3 participants for each session type who had the most bad agreement score among the 25 participants. So these mismatches stemmed from 4 main sources. Participants using tools that in-session does not yet have logs for, meetings that in-session does not have events for, participants multitasking, and participants forgetting to write their tasks in their journals. Overall, these results were interpreted to mean that coding time, reviewing time, and meeting time metrics were acceptably accurate, but further refinement to the development metric was needed. In-session allows us to analyze such thing as readability, which is a process of programming language certification at Google. Readability has been in use for a very long time at Google, but the benefits of readability were never fully understood. That is why there was conducted a study to examine this using sessions of in-session.